education for all children, and women's suffrage. He was a top-notch Scottish chap, was Keir Hardie, But the key point about Keir Hardie is that he wished to empower people. Having grown up, he was born into a mining family. He went into the mines at 11. He taught himself to read and write, and he realised how empowering knowledge and education is. And he wanted to share that with everyone else. And I think that Keir Hardie kind of embodies what I think is really key to the future of where we're going culturally and as a society. And that's in kind of greater education for everybody, more knowledge for everybody, which is going to make communication between disciplines, between these established disciplines that we're talking about today, so much easier. Because we have the ability to share worldviews now that there are digital resources, and now that there is more openness, now that we have more information available to us in an accessible way, a non-institutionalized accessible way, means that we all have a shared lexicon, which brings about much easier kind of discussion and interplay, and a shared worldview, hopefully. This is what I'm thinking anyway. So up here are just a few examples of some of the fantastic places where you can not only get resources or share resources, but learn about new stuff. I mean, TED, for example, it's really changed the way that a lot of people see the world. Even if some people are tired of it by now, it's had a huge impact on what people are aware of, opening up people's worldview. And I suppose that's where I want to go with the end of this talk, is, this kind of openness, this open knowledge drive that we've seen has led to a lot of hacker spaces and maker movements and tinkerers and people creating in a new way, in a different way. It's not the same as art, it's not the same as science, and it's not the same as art and science collaborations, but it's something